Steven here from Recreational Power Sports. Just got in this 2022 Avalon LSZ 2485 quad lounge. So what does that mean? It's got two seats in the front, two in the back, driver passenger chairs, and it is huge and spacious. Check out how much room there is in here. At the helm, we can see we got Steven's classic Mazzo steering wheel, so I always upgrade every one of my boats to the Mazzo steering wheel. It's a beautiful steering wheel. Tilt steering, obviously, just to help people get in and out of the seat. Upgraded high back seats, very beautiful, nice looking. We got all of the switches here for your interior lights, your mood lights, docking lights. We got the Garmin 5 depth finder, your analog gauges, and your fusion stereo. If you want to follow me along, before I jump into the passenger side, check out the size of the ski locker. Massive. Put anything you need in there, everything you need for sure. Your life jackets, your buoys, everything. On the passenger side, we got the matching seat. So driver, passenger, matching seats, great features here. Swivel, slide, and recline. Little glove box on the side. In front of the passenger seat, we got the pop-up change room. Privacy station, as they call it, so you could use it as a porta potty or just as changing storage, whatever you need. Behind it, we got a side entry. Nice for getting on and off the boat. On the side, add a diving board here if you want. At the back of the boat, we got the huge table. Nice features of the table, you got 4 cup holder spots for cell phone, anti-slip matting on it. As you can see, we did the 3-tone coloring here. So we added a nice texture in the seat, so it pops really nicely. We got the upgraded stereo with the sub. We got the Boardwalk flooring. We don't do it often, but man, does it look good. I really enjoy it. And at the back of the boat, you see there's lots of room to hang out. Everybody can sit back here, have some drinks, have some eats, while all the kids, or even adults like me, jump off of the back of the patio pad. Check out the size of this thing. We added 2 feet on the back of the boat here. And what that means is, basically, you get a big extra area for jumping off, adding a diving board, hanging out back here. You could add some fishing chairs. It's virtually endless what you could do back here. We got the boarding ladder on the side. We got the powerful Merc 150 with hydraulic steering. This thing is ready to go. Side of the boat, you can see here, we got the sage and charcoal coloring. They look very good together. We got the chrome recessed lights, docking and navigation lights in it. Stainless corner caps come alongside the boat. You can see you got my famous side keels. This is to protect the boat in chop. You hit something, it's going to protect the side of your tunes. 6 lifting strikes, so 2 on each tune. It's going to help you get out of the water and go faster. And alongside, we got the Shorelander tandem axle trailer.